Welcome and thank you for always joining us. We are yet again working on a question on trigonometry, a question that was done in KCSE 1990, Paper 1, Mathematics, question number 7. The question reads, in the figure below, AB and BC are chords of a circle, center O. AB is 3 centimeters, BC 8 centimeters, and OC 5 centimeters. Calculate the angle ABC. We are required to calculate this angle B because the angle in question is the angle at the center there. We are going to begin by subdividing this triangle, this quadrilateral into 2, or simply joining B to O, so that we can interpret the question as follows. OC is the radius, OA is the radius. That means this distance OA and OC are the same, meaning we are going to have 5 centimeters as OA. Remember, OB also is the radius, and therefore this one is also 5 centimeters. Now we can move down and have the two triangles as follows. We have the first one is BAO. Then we have this other triangle this way. This one is also O. This one is B. This one is C here. The measurements we have 3 centimeters. We have 5 centimeters and also 5 centimeters. Here we also have 5 centimeters. We have 8 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Once we have isolated that, we can begin with, for example, we can say this one is A, this one is B. We begin with triangle A. And get the angle. So this one is 3, this one is 5, this one is also 5. We need this angle here. We can call it angle theta. And since we are looking for the angle that corresponds with this side of 5, we are going to use cosine rule as follows. Assuming this is our A here, this is our B, and this is our C. This angle here, angle A, is going to coincide with A. This is angle C, which is going to coincide with this side, and angle B is going to coincide with this side here. Since we need the size of angle A, we are going to use the opposite side of this angle A, which is 5, and therefore we say A squared is going to be equal to B squared plus C squared minus twice BC, then cos of angle A. From there we know A is 5 squared being equal to B squared, and our B squared is 5 squared plus 3 squared minus twice times 5 times 3, then cos A. We proceed. We are going to have 25 being equal to 25 plus 3 squared is 9 minus 2 times 5, which is 10 times 3, will give us 30 cos of A. We proceed. So this one is going to give us 25 being equal to 25 plus 9 will give us 34 minus 30 cos of A. If we move 34 to this other side, we are going to have 25 minus 34, giving us negative 9, being equal to negative 30 cos A. From here now, we can divide both sides by negative 30, such that negative 30 and negative 30 cancels, giving us cos of A being equal to 9 over 30, which is 0.3. So if cos A is going to be equal to 0.3, then A will be equal to cos inverse of 0.3, 0.3, and the cos inverse of 0.3 will give us exactly 72.54 degrees. Once we have the size of angle A, we can simply come and place it here. That one will be 72.54. This one will be 72.54. And now we come and we can proceed with this other triangle. The other triangle we have is a triangle B, whose dimensions are 5. We have 8. We also have 5. We also need this angle theta here. We can, since we need this angle, we are going to use this opposite side here. And therefore, we are going to say this side squared, which is 5 squared, will be equivalent to the other two sides squared, which is 5 squared plus 8 squared, minus twice the two sides, which is 5 and 8. Then, of course, cos angle theta. Again, 5 squared is 25, being equal to 5 squared is 25 plus 8 squared is 64, minus 2 times 10 is 2 times 5 is 10 times 8, giving us 80 cos of angle theta. So we are going to have 25 being equal to 64 plus 25. 64 plus 25 will give us 89, minus 80 cos of angle theta. If we move 89 to this other side, it will become 25 minus 89, which is going to give us negative 64, being equal to negative 80 cos of angle theta. If we divide both sides by negative 80, 80 negative and 80 negative will cancel, leaving us with cos theta being equal to negative 64 divided by negative 80. That is the same as 64 divided by 80, since both of them are negative. Negative will cancel, and this one will give us 0.8. From there now we can move and get the angle theta by taking the cos inverse of 0.8, and this one is going to give us exactly 36.87 degrees. Once we have the size of that angle, we can simply come and place it here, 36.87. And therefore now to get angle ABC, we are going to add the two angles. Therefore, angle ABC will be equal to the sum of the two angles. The first angle we got was 72.54. We add the other angle, which is 36.87, and this one gives us exactly 109.41 degrees. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification. And to the subscribers and our supporters, thank you very much for always being with us.